The nature of the game is you just don't have the time to adjust and give yourself a chance. You really have to swing from ball one.
It's not a bad place to hit the ball. Very, very straight. Samit Patel playing a bit of football there.
Well, I've got a feeling that went for 4. Nicely struck on drive. Let's have a look what Samit Patel's done there. He gets a boot on it. Now he's outside the ground. Oh, I'm afraid that's 4 runs. Well, it's not been given, but we're going to move on. That's 6 runs. Farhan smashing it out of the ground, just muscling it over deep mid-wicket. So Berg has gone for 2 boundaries. Make that boundary number 3.
Watch it in the dugout. Watch out. You never know where it's coming from. Got our stock of balls in the dugout over there.
Wow, what a shot. You could just hear that timing as it left the bat. That's the Virgin Atlantic 6, number 177. Berg feeling the pressure. He's already gone for 20 runs. Those are all balls on the desk, on the table there you can see. We'll need a few more there of those for tomorrow's games. Oh wow, what a shot.
Yeah, we need a new one right now. We'll need a new one right now. You can see the umpire waving for one.
Picked up beautifully off his legs. Just helps it away over deep square leg.
Oh, that's another big one. I know the MCC boys had some sightseeing to do last night. I'm reckoning Pakistan missed out on that, which is why they want to leave now.
Yeah, well, that's a monster. Look at that. That's gone over that pavilion there. That's a huge shot. Wow. Well, that's over Gareth Berg, we want to forget. He's gone for 32 already. And the Pakistani batsman making a huge dent in that target of 84 runs.
It's a bit of off break, or is it seam up? A mix of both. It doesn't matter to Hamad Azam, because he is just looking to dispatch that into the hands.
Well, that was the lack of pace of Higgins has done the trick. So Hamad goes for a 0 off his first ball, tried to hit it for a 6. I reckon he got it a little bit high on the bat. Let's have a look here.
And high in the air. It just kept traveling.
There it is.
Yeah, you don't get any reward for elevation in this game.
Well, Sultanbey heaves it away through the leg side. Don't think he wanted to hit it that fine, but nevertheless, it's still 4 more runs to Pakistan, which makes the equation now 48 runs required of 22 balls.
That's a bit friendly. And it's answered in the affirmative by Sohail Tanveer. Into the trees for number 180. Is that 181?
That's 6 more.
Yeah, I think we've got a quota. Perhaps 200 on day 1 is the quota, so we've got 19 to go between Pakistan, Australia and New Zealand. The onus is on them.
Yeah, this is very friendly bowling here by Ryan Higgins. It's now bowled a wide.
You could hear Sohail Tanveer saying that there's a new ball that's just come in, and he reckons it's swinging a little bit more.
Yeah, that's the thing. When you lose the ball, the replacement ball if it's that little bit older, it can actually put a bit of shape, but that hasn't really affected Sohail Tanvir. He swats that away over deep mid-wicket for yet another 6.
Yeah, they may have picked up that 1 wicket, but that's just the only bright spot of the innings.
Oh, it's up in the air, but it lands in no man's land. So that's the end of Ryan Higgins' over. He's gone for 25, and now Pakistan own.
Australia against New Zealand.
So the captain to captain, Sohail Tanvir, I'm sure will be trying his best to finish the game off in this over. He'll be eyeing up that leg side boundary. And that's 6 runs to Sohail Tanvir. Gentle leg stump full toss. I don't think Sohail Tanvir will be missing out on that.
Well, one thing's for sure, these 2 batsmen can't finish it off even if they want to, because between the 2 of them, they need to retire soon.
Well, if they can hit the Hublot sign, you never know they could. Well, that's 6 more for Sohail Tanvir. He's had to retire. You know, so he's off. Sohail Tanvir having to retire 35. And Pakistan look like they're going to win the game very soon.
15 of 15, Anwar Ali walks in to join Farhan, who's on 30.
Swing and a miss there by Anwar Ali. Serious bat speed there from Anwar Ali. Swept away. Anwar Ali manages to cut that one away to deep point, 4 runs. Got done a little bit in the flight, still managed to. So that's the end of Sami Patel's over. He's gone for 16 off his allotted over. Pakistan now only needing 11 runs of 12 balls.
And Farhan on strike, he's on 30. So one way or the other, unless he gets a leg by and gets to the other end, this should be his last scoring stroke for this match and for today.
And I'm sure he'll be eyeing up a 6 off this ball, Farhan. So Darren Stevens to bowl his over. It's a leg stump full toss, which has been swatted away deep mid-on for a 6. Virgin Atlantic, 185th 6.
And Sahibzada Farhan with that gets maximum, reaches 30, hits a 6, 36. Easiest job in the world. Off he goes, job well done. So just 5 runs needed. Could they finish it in 1 blow? Sohail Khan walks out. He hasn't had too many chances to bat today. He hasn't been needed, really. Hit a couple of lusty blows in the previous game. Yeah, he was sent out just to finish it in 1 blow.
A swing and a miss by Sohail Khan. Well, Sohail Khan is not happy with the bounce of the ball. Can't understand why the ball hasn't bounced.
Now he walks a couple of steps in front. And again.
Still the same result. Pakistan requiring 5 runs off the 8 balls. Darren Stevens gone just a 6 off his 4 balls. He's managed to get 3 dot balls at Sohail Khan. Can he make it 4 out of 4? Well, it's gone high up in the air. John Simpson coming underneath it. Takes a rather easy catch. So that's the end of Sohail Khan, who's made it interesting.
A perfectly described innings. That was always an interesting note. That's what it was. Ball along the ground, then just playing and missing, and finally skying it to the keeper. Sami. Oh, he wants to finish it, and he does.
Well, Anwar Ali finishes off in style, walks down the wicket, sorts out of a deep mid wicket. 6 runs, and Pakistan win the game by 4 wickets. Anwar finishes with 10 not out, and that is the Pakistani supporters.
What we have from Pakistan, they really made a mockery of this target. Farhan was the star at the top, 36 of 7, but Sohail Tanveer too. He's just had a blast batting up the order at number 3, 35 of 8, and the winning runs hit by Anwar Ali.
Cricketing today, Pakistan win with 4 wickets. Farhan scoring 36, Tanveer 35, both retiring. And now we're gonna go to Kath.
Yes, I'm here with the man of the moment, Sanad Smart. You made it look easy out there. What was the approach? Just hit out or get out?
Yeah, today's bowling is a little bit easy in the other matches, so I will take a strike much. So in more confidence, captain said to me, go and hit in 6s.
You certainly did. Now, tell us, 3 wins from 3 games. Got to be pretty happy with that.
Yeah, we are so happy, and always team is so happy. The bowling is very strong, so inshallah we'll come back.
Now tell us, who do you think is looking like the main threat? Because New Zealand have played 2 games and they're also unbeaten. So are you keeping a close eye on the Kiwis?
Inshallah we win. Inshallah. yes, we easily win. Yeah.
All right, well, good luck for tomorrow. Go and enjoy the night off.
Thank you so much, thank you.
Back to you guys.
Making sure that everyone's going out and seeing the city. Well, that's Farhan, the man we just heard from. Wonderful innings at the top of the order.
Yeah, some lusty blows by Farhan. He was the key for Pakistan. Smashed the ball everywhere. Managed to get a quick fire 30 odd, and then the captain came and joined the party.
Well, that's what it's all one-way traffic. Samit Patel tried to stem the tide for a couple of deliveries, but then it was just about Pakistan lining up to finish things off. A couple of wickets were just a hiccup in the road to victory. That was the last of them, and Anwar Ali finishing things off in style. But the interesting prospect is that the way this tournament is